What are you looking for right here?
You're measuring hump plates, so they're allowed 32 inches. So essentially in this 32-inch area here that has to be centered, they're allowed 3/8 plate.
Still in the rules for the pro class.
Well, you guys talked about, remember when you got rid of Pete stuff?
Was it crazy?
And everyone just said we agreed that it's 2 straight up and down, nothing else.
Okay.
So everybody's I know it's nitpicky and this and that, but you have a 4-inch section. People are coming through with crazier shit than what Pete had. You know what I'm saying? And it's just like, no, it's all gonna go. Everyone said they don't want that, so it's just 2 bars straight up and down.
Okay.
And that's where we're leaving it.
Now, like, those are allowed to go from the bottom of the frame, so like, I probably wouldn't do it today, but like tomorrow, could I weld a piece in here?
You can weld a piece, so that did fly because we never talked about that, like how long it could be.
It says go to the bottom of the rail. In the Bristol rules, at least, it says
bottom of the. It says it can be welded to the bottom of the rail.
Oh, okay.
It doesn't say it can't go past that.
Okay.
So you're gonna see.
I'm not gonna run it crazy far down. I just don't want to depend on that one little 5x5 plate to hold my course board on, you know.
Hey, Robin.
Yeah. No, I get it.
Just get it tied in a little bit better.
Yeah. Okay. And you got a ton of fix-it plates, I'm sure. So
I got all my header caps are on there. Oh my God.
Let's go through and go through your car and mark your fix-it plates for me.
Okay.
Here. Because you're allowed up to 12.
I think I got 8 on.
Okay. So let's go through. So you got one here.
One there.
Okay.
One on the bottom of the rail. Like by the...
Okay, right here. Okay.
I have one on the inside of the rail and one on the bottom of the rail. There.
Okay, and bottom. Got it. 4.
This is home plate, so
Yep.
this one here.
5.
And this one.
6. Okay.
And these are fixed plates too, I guess. Now, where I had it.
Those are your extendo fix-it plates?
Yeah.
Okay. Okay, so then we're at
8.
8.
So I've got 4 left.
Yeah. You got 4 left. And you can get them from the ladies down there. They're $5. We got them here.
Okay.
$5 a piece. You didn't go crazy patching? Thank you. I mean, you don't need to. You don't need to, right?
I just figured get the body mount locations tied back. The biggest thing with these is the body mount's getting ripped out and the floor's falling right out of the fucking thing. So
Yeah, exactly.
I don't know. I'm probably gonna have this thing rolled up into a ball by the end of the weekend. With that going on, I don't know how that's gonna work out.
Yeah, it's kinked there, huh? Behind the hump.
I figured I'll run in the heat like that, and if it holds up, it holds up. If it don't, it don't. But
yeah,
if it bends and doesn't ruin anything, and I make it through, I can just roll it up. And
yeah, for sure. Let's see where he's at here. Where you guys at? Any issues? They were allowed to do that in the pro class, yeah. Yep.
Right behind the hump plate.
Okay.
Fresh plate. Is that part of your stretch plate or is that part of the hump?
yeah, so when I added that 5-inch piece, so that piece is the stretched out fix-it plate.
Okay.
They get one of those slinky plates that are like 12 inches long.
Sure.
Okay, you guys ready to go up with it?
Yep.
All right.
Keep blinking on the back of the car to the frame rail. I'm over the frame rail from the front fenders all the way to the back now. What are you looking for right here?
You're measuring hump plates, so they're allowed 32 inches. So essentially in this 32-inch area here that has to be centered, they're allowed 3/8 plate. That's what you're checking, which this is, could be 3/8.
Yeah,
Maybe quarter, yeah, feels like quarter. But essentially it can be up to 3/8, so they could have anything less than that. The key to this, especially with these pre-ran cars, is to make sure that everything measures out. So there are a lot of plate, but that doesn't mean there aren't measurements to the plate. So if it says 6x4, you need to make sure it's 6x4. If it's a 15-inch bumper bracket, you measure and make sure it's a 15-inch bumper bracket. That's, you know, people can stretch things pretty easy or forget commonly. So that's really what we're doing here.
on both sides.
That is that's a Bristol thing, right?
What?
The engine cradle underneath.
Yeah, we beat them on that.
Yep.
Didn't say which
Side.
engine cradle could be plated.
Yeah. Oh, coming out. Is it just not?
It's just not threaded all the way.
No, there's nothing funny going on here. Okay. You guys good?
I'm good.
All right.
Good people up.
You guys good up there?
We might as well paint these spaces black. I don't have to do anything, right? Good on this side. Those spaces.
Yeah. And you can add plates if you want.
Yeah, I'm gonna save those for.
I figured.
I don't really know what's gonna bend up front, so. The way you do this, you can just have to wait.
Yep. Got it?
Yeah, it kind of lines up like.
Yeah, she's perfect. That's better than most.
It was a pain getting the front clip on this thing.
Yeah, I
We had the
figured.
porta power and the tractor pulling the door skins back out. Then my buddy was pulling out on with the tractor, and I was the hammer and the fenders bitten behind the door skins.
Looks good. Back through, I think, what's the time frame today?
Like 2:30 to 4.
Yeah, 2:30 to 4, yeah. Yeah, that's when it is.
I think I can handle getting it fixed up, but.
Okay. We'll see you then.
Yep.
Thanks.